So in this video, you'll learn how to revert back to the default theme on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first step is to access the Galaxy theme store, and you can do this in two ways. One of them is by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen. Then in the home screen editor, you want to select themes. The second is by navigating to the settings app, and then in settings, you want to look for the option themes and tap on it. Once you're in the Galaxy theme store, you want to select the option menu in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you want to tap on My Stuff. This will bring you to the menu where you have different themes, wallpapers, icons, and always on displays installed. So in order for you to revert back to the default theme, simply select Default under the Themes section like this, and then tap on Apply. Wait for the default theme to be applied onto your phone. And once applied, you'll be redirected back to the home screen with the default theme now successfully being applied onto your phone. So you'll notice even the theme on the quick settings menu as well as the lock screen has changed back to default. So that's how you can do it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.